So welcome friends, welcome students. Myself Mahendra Sani, faculty from Civil Engineering Department. So today we will again solve the numerical problem of wind and seismic analysis subject BTech 6th semester. Okay, and the topic is calculation for earthquake load. Okay, so we have already see the section, the solution. So remaining solution we will take in this video lecture. Okay, so we should calculate the T, that is, what is T? So T is the natural period of vibration, means naturally occur shaking in case of earthquake. Okay, so T in x direction equal to 0.09 into D, value of D in x direction is 16 and H is also 16, so root 16 equal to 0.036. T in x direction is 0.036, sorry 0.36, and T in y direction 0.09 into 16 upon root 15. Sorry, the value of D in y direction is 15. So we have got the T in y direction equal to 0.37. Okay, so calculate SA upon G value from page number 16, clause number 6.4.5. okay, so SA upon G equal to 2.5. You can easily calculate. So get H equal to Z value equals 0.36 into 1 upon 2 into 6 into 2.5. So H equal to 0.09 in both direction, x and y direction. So move towards step 4, that is design seismic base shear, represented by VB. Okay, so VB as per code, formula of VB equal to H into W. It is given on page number 24. So VB base shear will be calculated as value of AH we have already calculated 0.09, and value of W, total W of total story is 80.326. After multiplication we have got 7229.09 kilonewton. Okay, step 5, distribution of design force represented by QI. Okay, so formula of QI equal to VB WIHI square upon summation of WIHI square. It is given on page number 24. So in this respect, a table is, we have to follow a table. Okay, table format. Okay, so move towards step number 5, which is followed by table story number given in first column 4321. Okay, and WI, value of WI for one story, for two story, third story and fourth story. HI, height of the buildings, because for ground story the height of the building is 4 meter, for second story 4 plus 4 8, and for third story 4 plus 4 plus 4 12, and for fourth story 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 equal to 16 meter height. Okay, so WIHI square we can get easily by calculating, multiplying HI square into respective WI. Okay, so WIHI square upon summation of WIHI square we can easily calculate, and VBQI in x and y direction is calculated as after putting in the formula. Okay, so each value you have seen, you can see given in table format, or we should put in table format. Okay, as you can see in the base shear VB for fourth story Base shear is, after analyzing the value, base shear is too much, in this case 7229.09, and for y direction this value will constant 7229.09. okay, but the value of qi in x direction and y direction both remain changes, not constant. okay, and tends to decrease, okay, in the succession. Means for top story the value of qi, what is qi? qi is the distribution of design force. So design force distribution for top story is much as compared to the design force, distribution design force for below story. Then so if you move towards top story to ground story, then this value will decrease continuously. okay, and ultimate for first story the value will be 305.07 as we have calculated. okay, so after then we should plot the diagram or graph for this qi and vb. The graph plotted or diagram denotes the according to qi, as per qi it is known as loading diagram, and for first story value of 305, value of this qi is 305.07 kN, and for second story, and after then for each story this value will we have analyzed continuously increasing. The value was continuously increasing. So graph we have met this graph in the form of parabola. okay, parabola opening in y direction, half parabola. okay, so let's move towards a value diagram of vb, base shear. So diagram related to base shear, it is known as shear diagram. So we have also draw this diagram. So as per adopting value, obtaining value, we have obtained the value 722.228.29 for first story, 6923.22 for second story, 5702.3 for for third story, and 2955.25 for first story. So shear diagram is can be drawn like this in the form of a step foundation or footing, step footing. okay, so we can analyze by this calculation in this numerical that if we move towards first story to top story, then shear continuously decreases. okay, and distribution of forces continuously increases. Distribution design force continuously increases. okay, means we have keep think in this mind that when we will design a building, then the point which we have keep in mind, okay, we should keep in mind is that shaking will affect the top story more as compared to the below story, and shear is more in the first story. So foundation we should capped, perfect, or stiff. A strong foundation we should prefer in case of multi-story building. Okay, so damages will occur, more damage in case of top story as compared to the bottom story. So this is the overall view of the earthquake load calculation. So keep watching this video. Another video we will move towards our next problems. Okay, thank you very much.